Welcome to the shop. I have this DC power supply from ToolkitRC. Actually, got this from China Hobby Line. They have these on their website. Saw it and I was like, man, I love these DC power supplies. And this particular one caught my eye for several reasons. One is it's 750 watts, which gives me about 62 amps. It is only 12 volts, which means my chargers have to work a little harder and they're not going to be as efficient. If it was 24 volts, it might be better. But those are hard to find and pretty darn expensive. So what this offers is this right here, a couple things. One is, it is simple. You just take it out of the box and here you go. Plug that into there and this end into your DC enabled battery charger. There's your DC input. And you're off. And what are the benefits? And I did a video on it that I was able to go, let's say, here with this ISDT K2, charging 6S batteries, I could maybe get up to, maybe 5 amps each, maybe. It was less than that from a from AC power. When I plug it into this, I can do 8 amps each channel, which is pretty amazing. The other thing is I can have multiple chargers running. It's got banana plugs there. It has your XD60s here, so you can have several. It also has USB-A and USB-C, both 30 watts. It has a smart fan. When it gets over a certain, basically a certain amp draw, fan kicks on. It's got a lot of safety features. If there's something that goes wrong, it trips the breaker. This is so far I've used it for about a month and really put it to task. And I'm going to show you, just go through the charging of things and how that all works. But I'm really impressed with this. You can get one of these at China Hobby Line, their website. That's where I saw it. I was like, yeah, I have got to check this thing out. Stand by. Let me charge up some batteries for you, show you how that works. All right, I'm going to set this guy up here. I'm going to set him up for high voltage, 8 amps, start. Gonna do the same over here. So both those are gonna crank out at 8 amps. Now I'm gonna have a couple of these batteries here. The performance that I can get out of this is so much better than what I was getting from AC power. All right, those are both kicking off at 8 amps each. Hopefully you can see that. And these ones are gonna both go off at 4 amps. If I were to plug that in the wall, yeah, you could definitely charge 2200s at 4 amps with this, but no way could you get 8 amps on this. At least I can't on my ISDT. Now, that's about where it maxes out, around 8 amps. I can't do much more. If I had 24 volt, like I said, if I had a 24 volt system, it would be more efficient. But I don't charge a whole lot over 8 amps on anything anymore. That's pretty much going to be my sweet spot. Sure, it'd be nice to have a little bit more, but this is a simple system. It works. It comes with this cable, and one of these. You can easily make your own cables. I've made videos on how to solder XD60 connectors. Buy yourself some decent 12 gauge wire and some XD60 connectors and you're off. It's pretty simple stuff. So anyway, thought it'd be interesting to show off this great product. If you have any questions, let me know.